Hello viewers, we have a very nice question, but before we start, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Now let's get started. Now, since we are to find the value for this, so we will deal with this one. So dealing with this, I have my x minus 1 divides x equals 1. So what I have to do is to square both sides of the equation. So squaring both sides of the equation, I'll have my x minus 1 divides x all to the power 2 equals 1 to the power 2. So now expanding the left hand side, this one gives me x to the power 2 minus, now this 2 multiplies this one, so I'll have my 2x divide x gives me negative 2 plus, now here s, this 2 square 1 gives me 1 divided by s squared equals, this one gives me 1. Now you can see x to the power 2 plus 1 divides x to the power 2 here. So the best thing is to move this negative 2 to the right hand side. So I'll have my x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by x to the power 2 equals, when this one comes here, it becomes 3. So now the value for this one becomes 3. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.